What's going on, guys? We got another gun back here today we're going to check out, and that would be the Hart HVLP from Walmart. We're going to give this thing a shot and see what it does. We got a bumper back there that needs to be painted and cleared, so we're going to see what this thing does. Let's get into it. Alright, so let's see what we got here. They don't package too well, I'll tell you that. So we got the gun. Let's see, we got plastic cup as usual, some tools, and instruction booklet, which I mean you probably won't get too much for 25 bucks. Alright, so got some oil residue on it. Coating feels cheap. I mean, the gun feels cheap. I don't like how it feels or anything about it. It's got a 1.4 in it. Let's see here. Well, nothing special there. I mean, looks like your kind of like your Harbor Freight gun. $15 purple special, Barney special. This doesn't feel too bad. Let's see. Spring kind of binds. It doesn't sound too good. Knobs feel kind of smooth. Trigger feels kind of smooth. But it is what it is for 25 bucks. But anyway, let's get into it and see how it sprays. Alright, so we got this put together. Now, we did have an adapter from the other gun that's screwed on here for disposable cups. Now, here's something I noticed. So I just hooked this up. So when I hit air, I can feel air spraying on my hand right here. It's leaking out of something in the gun. Like maybe around here, there's something leaking. So, let's see what we got. And that's the fan wide open. That's a wide open fan. Yeah. I don't know how well this is going to go, but you know, we'll see how it is. Let's test it out. Probably shouldn't do it on this bumper, but screw it. I don't know, there's oils or something in here. As I can see right now that there's little fish eyes on it, and I noticed it right there. I seen little fish eyes when I was spraying it. So now, as you can see, this has become a problem. So there's, as I was saying, I seen something on here. There was probably oils, manufacturing oils inside this gun, which is crazy. I've never had that problem. So now this is gonna have to be probably sanded, let it dry, flashed, then probably sand it out and see how that goes. So, in the beginning, I'm not liking this too much. I don't like this at all. So we'll come back here in a little bit. All right, so we can't continue with that gun. That gun's got problems, or it just don't spray right. So we are back to the orange creamsicle to save the day, hopefully. So I will talk a little more about that gun as we finish this up, but I'm gonna go ahead and get this painted and hopefully everything turns out good. Yeah, much better. Yeah, much better. Now, I made that a little thick to try and cover that up, so then we'll reduce this a little more, spray it, clear it. You know how this goes. This gun sprays pretty good, but I can't believe that gun sprays like that. I guess I can for 25 bucks. But anyway, we'll be back. All right, so we got this all straightened out, finally. The old creamsicle came through, so now we're gonna clear coat it. And I've got another video I'm thinking about making right now. So I don't know how I want to put this. You'll see YouTubers that'll put, do this and get glass-like finishes and blah, blah, blah. Well, the thing is, if you pay attention, most of those videos, it's a contoured panel, a bumper, something that's not flat. There's a reason for that. I'm just not sure if I want to put it in this video or if I want to make a separate video on it right now. That's kind of where I'm tossing around, but let's go ahead and get this cleared, I guess. Yeah, this is bad. See that right there? So yeah, this is just, that paint is just now contaminated from whatever was in that gun. That's great. That's great. So basically what you gotta do from here is let this dry. I'm gonna clear the whole thing, let it dry. It'll have to be sanded back down and then painted again. That is, welcome to the world of painting. I'm telling you. All right, we're gonna be done with this. We'll go up and talk about this gun. All right, so we got this gun here. Now, there's something leaking out of somewhere around here. I could feel air hitting me in the palm right there. The trigger on it, I mean, it's smooth, but there is no fan on this thing. This is a 1.4. This does not spray like a 1.4 at all. And then, lesson learned. So I've never had to clean out a paint gun I've bought brand new like that, ever. I've never ever done it. So lesson learned for me, maybe one for you. If you buy a new paint gun, spray some gun cleaner, some lacquer thinner, spray something through it now that I see that, because that job back there, unfortunately, is pretty much ruined, and it sucks because it's a customer's vehicle. But you know, it is what it is when you're testing out things. Sometimes things happen. But I cannot recommend this gun to anybody. I just can't. I see no purpose for it. It doesn't spray like a 1.4. It doesn't have a fan that's even wide enough, like 4 inches wide. It's not something I can recommend. And it leaks air from somewhere. I mean, you get that. It's a cheap gun. I get that. It's a cheap gun, but honestly, the Harbor Freight Purple Barney gun is probably better than this gun. I'm just saying. It's a shame. But guys, if you're looking to buy that gun, do not buy it. That's just my opinion. You can say maybe it was a defective gun. I don't think it's defective. It is what it is, and it's made, and it's a cheap gun. There's too many other options. I mean, for $25 more, there's $30 more. There's guns that I've reviewed on the last, I don't know, couple weeks that beat this by 10,000 miles. So just don't waste your money on it. Do not, because you're going to have nothing but headaches and regrets. But anyway, guys, if you know of another gun, something you want to see reviewed, throw it in the comments. We'll make it happen. There is something I have coming up. It's there's a new Porpoise gun. I can't remember the numbers on it right now, but I had it pre-ordered, so when it is ready, they'll ship it to me. But it's the newest one they got out, so we'll see how that sprays. The video, what I was talking about on the clear coat, of how they try and say make it look like glass, I was going to maybe do it in that video there, but that didn't turn out well. And there's another one coming up of something else. But anyway, I'll see you in the next one, guys. Like, share, subscribe. Peace.